Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over an 8-count riff and a 9-count riff. So if you haven't watched my previous videos on the 5, the 6, and the 7-count riffs, I would go back and watch those first because the 8 and 9-count riffs build on the 5-count, which the 6 and 7 also build on the 5-count too. So it's best to start at the beginning and work your way up to the more advanced. So, 5-count riff. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6-count riff, you add that first heel. 7-count riff, you add back, then the front heel, and then that's what we've learned so far. So 8-count riff, you're going to start with a 5-count. Then you're going to add that 7, the heel. And then to make it an 8, because now we have 5, 6, 7, we need to add one more sound. You're going to pick up that front toe and drop it down. Okay, so again, it's a 5-count riff. Then the heels to make it 7, and then the toe to make it an 8. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let me show you left foot. Starting with that 7-count riff. Rocking forward to drop that front toe to make it an 8. Again, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Nicely done. Let me show you back view. Here we go, number 8. So it's a 7 with a toe. Good. Say you wanted to pick up the tempo a little bit. Starting right foot, let's do 4 in a row. Again, you're going to quicken up, make that step spank heel a little bit faster. That's where the speed comes from. So let's give it a try. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try that again. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Nicely done. Let's try left side. Here we go. Fast. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Nicely done. Let's move on to number 9 now. So, kind of like what we did changing from 6 to 7, that's what we're going to do changing from 8 to 9. So, starting at a 7, instead of picking up that front heel, dropping down, you're now going to pick up that back heel, or that back toe first. Drop it down, pick up the front toe, and then drop that one down. So the way you get these to work is you don't want your feet to be super far apart because then you can't lift your back toe to make any noise. You want to make sure your feet are close together. See how easily I was able to lift up that back toe? So it comes nice and easily when you keep your feet close together. So again, it's step, scuff, heel, heel, toe, back, front, heel, back, front, toe. And that counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. Let me show you left side now. Starting with a 7. But now instead of dropping that front toe, you're going to do back toe and then front toe. Again, here we go. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, nicely done. Let's do a few in a row, or let me show you the back view real quick. So right foot and left foot. Good, nicely done. So faster, here we go. Starting on our right side. Ready? quicken, speed up that step, scuff, heel. That's where it's going to come from. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Try that again. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's try left side now. Faster tempo. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's try it again. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. Nicely done, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for more tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.